type $AMP semicolon. And for adding character entities. In HTML, some characters have spatial meaning. If you want the browser to display these characters, you must insert character entities in the HTML code. A character entity has three parts: an ampersand, an entity name or hash, and an entity number, and finally a semicolon. In HTML, you can add non-breaking space by typing the ampersand NBSP semicolon code in the HTML document of a web page. Similarly, if you want to add less than sign, then type ampersand LT semicolon. For greater than sign, type ampersand GT semicolon. For ampersand sign, type ampersand AMP semicolon. And for quotation mark, type ampersand QOUT semicolon. After this, save the changes and open it in the web browser. In this simulation, we perform the steps to add character entities. The ampersand NBSP semicolon is the character entity which is used to give more than one spaces between the words in a sentence. The ampersand LT semicolon is also a character entity which is used to add less than sign in the web page. The ampersand GT semicolon is also a character entity which is used to add greater than sign. The Save As dialog box appears. Press the Delete key to delete the default text, Unsaved Document 1 in Name text box. Type using character entities .html in the name text box. The Using Character Entities .html web page appears on the desktop. The IceWhistle window opens. The web page appears in the web browser. This is the effect of the ampersand NBSP semicolon character entity. The sentence has more than one spaces between the words. This is the effect of the ampersand LT semicolon character entity. This is the effect of the ampersand GT semicolon character entity. This